Alright guys, right now
Oh my god, wait, I'm so
we got flip the coin in the subway station to decide where should we go. Alright, it's time. Let's enter the gate.
What's a vlog?
This is heads. Heads is this way. Tails is that way. Okay.
Tails, okay,
Tails is this way. Okay, so whenever we see a train, we hop on. Oh my god, there's a train. No! We got the train. We got flip the coin. Heads is to stay, tails is to leave.
Okay.
Oh, we have to stay.
Okay, we gotta stay, so
We're staying here, guys.
okay.
Okay, guys. Sorry.
Okay, head, so far don't flip. Head,
Stay?
we gotta stay.
Oh my god. This train is to Coney Island, by the way.
Okay.
Alright, let's stay there.
We gave up with the coin flip, so we're doing after this is done.
Alright. If I lose, wait.
No, if I win, we stay.
If I win,
We go.
we go out.
Fuck.
We stay. I don't want to go to Coney Island. Guys, we're outside. We just passed Chinatown. Wait, are we actually going to Coney Island?
No, we're not. Wait, what is this?
Entering. Wait, this is like a... Wait, we're on the bridge. Wait, we're going to Brooklyn.
We're going to Brooklyn, child.
It's so funny. Whoa, oh my god. Look at that.
Oh my god, we're gonna pass it.
Alright guys, we did the coin. Got tails, we're getting out guys. Alright guys, we made it to Brooklyn. I don't know whatever this is.
We're Long Island University.
Long Island University.
No, this is the campus, is it not?
I don't know.
You should always look.
But we're in Brooklyn. Why is this Long Island, bro? Oh. Oh, it's so cold.
You don't know.
Wait, is there any bus here?
I saw one earlier.
There's literally nothing here. It's so cold. Wait, should we just go back?
No, we keep walking.
Why?
We keep walking.
Big Trader Joe's. We just got shop around. Well, guys, we're back in the subway. And then
We're on the subway to go.
I don't know. No, honestly, I don't even know where we're going. Had to
stay.
Had to stay. Tails is oh, you survive.
Different. So we stay. Why is it always heads?
Yeah. Alright guys, we just got on the train.
Now we're gonna do rockets.
We're leaving. I don't know where are we. We took the L train to one stop and then now we're gonna take another one. Okay. Do you want to flip the coin or flip the coin or grab for the scissors? Okay. Oh, I don't want to go to prom.
We're not.
What?
We're not going to.
Okay, we're staying. Ready?
Tails. Next time we leave. We're leaving in the next one.
Are we leaving Grand Central? There's a lot of trains in Grand Central.
Yeah.
Whatever. Guys, or it's 7 S train. So you're S train, I'm 7 train, okay?
Okay.
So if I win, you go 7 train. If you win, you go S train, ready?
We going?
No. Wait.
We have to go. We gotta go home.
We're in the 7th train and we're gonna decide it's where Times Square or Flushing. So whenever the train comes first, we're gonna hop on the train. And I think it's probably Times Square.
next stop is Times Square.
Oh, we're going to Hudson Yards. Guys, we end up staying and this is the last stop.
Yeah, so we have to get off.
Get off. It's Hudson Yards. It's like no one here.
But like, at least we know where we are.
Yeah. We're gonna walk around. Alright guys,
What's up, guys?
we're eating this cake.
It's actually really good.
The coin really lead us to something.
The point.
Lemon and sponge cake, I think.
It's really good.
Yeah, the view. We are